we're gonna be doing a quick little update on the TT. So, as you can see, I'm pretty dirty. And the car is taken apart. So, remember in the last video I said we had some problems? Well, yeah. So, the oil cooler broke. So, my entire coolant system got flooded with oil, which is not good. But luckily, I have fixed it. I will show you how real quick. So, what I've done is just take the front bumper off so I can get some easier access. And what I had to do is take this coolant line off and that coolant line off. Pop under here. Drain the coolant. Pop the oil filter off. There's a nut in there. You just turn it. This entire thing just slides right out. Pop the new one in, 60 bucks. There you go, done. No more oil going into your water system. So while I'm here, you know I can't just resist doing one thing at once. So I got myself a 42 Draft Designs intake. Look at that. The velocity stack even has these little vortex generators in there. Oh, maybe it's in my other map on the Jetta. I'm gonna have to go get that back. I had vortex generators in there. It was pretty cool. But anyway, I've had to trim my Forge TIP so I can put this on there, and it should be good. It looks very nice, and I will show you in just a moment. Well, there we go. It's installed. This isn't the prettiest, but it's alright. What matters is that it's not just blue intake hanging free. It's a nice one. 42 Draft Designs. Let's get the bump filter on there. Oh yeah. That's way better. Look at that sexy engine, babe. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. This is just a quick little update because I was doing some work. And I'll see you at the next big one, which is my new front mount intercooler, new front subframe, all the suspension bushings up front, and possibly a new ECU with a wideband conversion. I already bought the ECU and the wideband conversion, but I don't know if I'm gonna run it yet. So I have to do more research on that. So I'll see you next time.